Hello everyone. So today we'll be seeing how to set up your JDK and how to install JDK for your Java. Okay, so just go to Google and search for Oracle Java. Go to Java software and then go to download Java and then go to Java 26. Okay, scroll down and you have different operating systems based on which operating system you are, so you can go and select that and install it. Currently I'm in Windows, so I'll go to Windows and select the x64 installer. Okay, just go and click install and it will start downloading the file. So for Windows you have to do some additional steps which I'll be telling you. For Mac and Linux, it is very straightforward. Okay, once the download is done, try to open the executable file. You will just get a pop-up in Windows. Just click yes and let it load. So the installation will not take much of a time, and just have to do next, next, and then it is installing. Let it finish. So once it is done, you can just close this window. Okay, now go to start and search for environment variables. Okay, so the environment variables, this is where it is. Once you open this, in the system variables you will have some path. We need to set some path here. Okay, so before we set this path, okay, just go and open your file explorer. Okay, and then go to your C drive, program files. Okay, and then Java, and then JDK 26, and then bin. Just copy this entire path from here. Okay, and now close this and now go to this path and try to create a new entry in this path in your system variables. You have added this bin and okay, and then you just have to create another new variable here. We will call it Java underscore home and then paste it here and then remove this bin that is there towards the end. Make sure you remove this and then just click OK and then OK and then click OK. That's it. Now let's see if everything is perfect or not. Go to start cmd. Okay, you open the command prompt. Okay, now let me clear this and just try Java C and you should see some text like this, and also check the Java version, Java hyphen hyphen version, and you can see that you are having the build 26, which means you have the latest Java installed. Now for just to show you how the code is run from the command line, I will just go to start, open a notepad. Okay, maybe start writing a simple program. Let me write a class demo. I'll explain all these things, what these things are in detail. Okay, public static void main. Okay, so this is a class and you have the main method inside this, and I'm doing system.out.println of okay hello world, something like this. Okay, now I've written the program. Now we have to save this particular program. Okay, I'll name it as demo.java and make sure you select all files here and let's go save it on the desktop. Okay, and I'll save this. Make sure that the class name and your file name matches. It's not necessary and hard and fast rule that your class name where your main method is residing, always generally it is a best practice, and I'll tell you why. You always try to name the file with the class that the main method is present in, because the dot class file later it would get generated, right? It would be based on which class the main method is in. Okay, so now let's go open our CMD. Let's move to desktop. Okay. And now what we have to do is basically there are two commands. First, we need to compile our code. So Java C is our compiler. Java C space demo dot Java. Okay, so when I do this, it is compiled. Now when this code is compiled, right, if you go and check it in the desktop, you will see this dot class file. This got generated. This was the file that we created, and when we compile, demo dot class is the file that got generated. Okay, now since the dot class file is generated by the JVM, now use the command java space the file name demo. That's it, and you got the print statement hello world, which was there inside our code. So that's it for this video. Later on we will try to set up our IDE and start writing the code and start uh, the programming part from scratch. So that's it for this video. Thank you.